Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Trading Technicals. Now we have been talking about some secret strategy, right, for the intraday. Now I promised you something which I will come up in this week, and I just wanted to show you how it works. Okay. So now basically you know the VWAP indicator. Most of you would have used it in your daily trading, and it gives you decent kind of results on a intraday trading. However, most of us we are not aware that how yesterday's VWAP plays an important role in today's trading, right? So, just to give you a concept of this particular thing, what happens is basically when we are trading, lots of these big positions which gets built up, right? And lots of people already kind of make that positions day before yesterday or in the last week, and those particular things which we need to understand. So lots of people see the data, and then they according to the situation they will take the trades, right? But lots of people don't actually go back to the data, and they don't want to unnecessarily confuse themselves. So basically we go with the basic technicals to understand where the general positions which will be built up, and how do we kind of use that particular thing, right? So now this VWAP indicator is basically here. It is yesterday's VWAP. This is called yesterday's VWAP. Okay, and I'll show you the settings. It is basic settings, no changes in the settings. Okay, and this one is basically I have put this standard VWAP thing. So this is our VWAP line for the today's thing. Now what happens is, and this one we are using it with a camera setup, so that we get a better signals, right? So we know where exactly we can take the trades, and how exactly the positions can be built. Now look at certain days, right? Now if you look at here, okay. Now where exactly the VWAP has, the kind of yesterday's VWAP was closed, okay. So this one is basically yesterday's closing VWAP. So this is where this is like a magnet line, right? So that is where most of the positions were built. So below this it is bearish, above this is a bullish, right? And because we are using with our standard indicator, which is Cambrilla, we get a very good signals, right? So when we know, okay, market has actually opened, so this VWAP line will act as a kind of a magnet. It will also act as a kind of support and resistance in certain places, right? So those are the places which we will get very good trading opportunities. Now, if you look at this particular place where market has opened gap down, right? The first candle is very big red candle, okay? But this is opened at RL3, so we are not selling at this place, or we are not taking any trades at this particular place. We will only look at buying trade, right? So we have taken a buy trade maybe here, okay, maybe at a VWAP break or whatever it is, and then what would be our target? Now consider we don't have this CPR lines, right? So if you don't have a CPR line, generally our target will be H3, right? And exactly it has touched H3, and then it has come back to again H3. So market has exactly played inside this range, right? And that is what the concept we generally use, that okay, in a normal sideways days we will have movements between H3 and L3, okay, and this particular place no trade zone, this particular place no trade zone, right? So this one will save lots of money for you, because lots of people take the trades here even if it is going above this particular level, and if it is in between these zones, right? So we should not ideally trade anything here. We can only take the trades around this area. Even if the stop loss is hit, so I think we can take that stop losses. This will basically make a rule based trading for us. So if you look at here now, what has happened? Okay, yesterday's VWAP, this is the place, this is exactly the place where big guys had built a position, right? So what exactly market has done? It has opened at the gap down, went down, but came back to this magnet area, which is our yesterday's VWAP, right? then it got rejected again at this VWAP area, so we can take a sell entry at this particular place, and our target will be L3 again, right? So exactly same thing is happening on most of the times. Now here it has opened gap up, okay. First candle itself it has fallen, then it has trade goes back to L3, L3 again it goes up, okay. Our target ideally should have been H3, however it has not achieved H3, but look at the consolidation around this area. Now wherever the markets are opening, wherever it is going, so this place market has opened exactly at this particular place, okay, at H4 breakout, achieved the target at H5, okay, it has gone up. This is a budget day trade, right? So this has gone beyond one level. This is basically H6 level at this level, okay, and then it has reversed from this particular place. And once it has reversed, okay, and uh, to be frank with you, the kind of logic which I had given that day, that second half we will see selling. You know why I mentioned that selling? Because market is going towards, in a oversold territory, right? Exactly, it is going oversold territory. H5, H6, these are the oversold territories, right? So it will give a sell off. I expected sell off, but it went much beyond my expectation. It did not even stop at L3, it went to L5 almost, right? So this is how we can look at the VWAP and the Camilla strategy. Now here also look at this, okay, ideally our target should have been at H3. Look at where market is exactly reversing. This is at yesterday's VWAP, right? So this is the position where it was built, and whoever wants to kind of hold the levels, they are basically holding this level. So 650 is a level for them which they were trying to hold for the full day. Now again, next day again it is the VWAP is around this level. Yesterday's VWAP is around this level. Markets opens at H4, comes back around these levels only, and again bounces back from this level, right? So this is basically this day it is telling you H3, though H3 you can sell, but you have basically you have to take a target of this or this. So this basically this zone will be very very crucial. Now look at last few days. Okay, last few days, Nifty has exactly opened at around these levels. Okay, it is a gap down opening, small gap down. Then it falls down to, and it breaks our L3 also. So basically, we don't have any trade. This place, if you would have taken L3 trade, what would have happened is it would have hit our SL and we would have exited the trade, right? Or maybe if you are holding with L4 SL, then probably end of the day we would have closed at a cost to cost. But look at how this attractive thing which is working out, how the prices are getting attracted towards this exactly VWAP, yesterday's VWAP, right? So here again, yesterday's VWAP, same thing. Market opens, goes towards H3. We don't have a buying position here because till the time it is not breaking H4, we can't trade. H3 we are taking the sell position. L3 is our target, small target achieved, okay. And after that, look at this indication which is telling you. So basically whenever I have a, this position in between, I know generally this level, till the time it is not giving you big breakout, probably I might not get a reversals or anything this thing. So this is what yesterday's VWAP levels works, because yesterday's VWAP will consider lots of positions which were built, whatever volumes were traded on all these things. See here also, it basically what happened is, here it has opened at H3, in the first candle it did not kind of go below H3. First candle closed at above H3. It has given breakout, gone above. This is RBI policy day. It has gone to H5, again came back again to the same level, and again gone up to the H5 level. So nothing else market has done, exactly it is playing around these levels, right? So then we have another trade here where it has broken the yesterday's VWAP, broken the L3. Though we are not taking any trades here, we can take only one trade here. Our target will be this, and small stop loss just below this. So above VWAP, look at the consolidation, how these places actually works as a consolidation area, right? look at this. Now, yesterday, what happened is market is opened at L3. It was a buying opportunity. First candle closed at above L3. However, we wouldn't have taken any trade because our yesterday's VWAP level was actually at this level. So exactly the same level, it has acted as a resistance, came down to L4, then again it has reversed, again gone back down, again look at the reversals exactly at yesterday's VWAP. So this yesterday's VWAP actually works out very well as a support and resistance. It also can give you a direction of the market, whether it is above this particular level, then it is a bullish market, whether it is below this level, it is a bearish market, and this one we can use it with our other Camrilla setup, which can give you enough and more trading opportunities. So it's a very simple strategy, simple thing. You can use with multiple other things. With this, you can use the bands, which will give you general idea of where exactly, if it is the prices are staying above the band or below the band. When the band becomes uh, sideways or basically a flat, it is not a trending day, it is a sideways day. We can expect lots of SL hunting things which will happen on this day. So this is what we can use it with our VWAP. So normal VWAP, we will use it with our confirmation on yesterday's VWAP. So yesterday's VWAP, we can actually use it for our intraday. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit that like button, share it with your friends so that they also can make money. Also subscribe to this channel. Thank you, guys.